What's tofu's favorite movie genre? Mockumentaries. Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. Today we're making a mouthwatering and flavorful braised basil tofu. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going with the extra firm tofu. We'll start by pressing the tofu to remove excess water in our handy dandy tofu press. If you don't have a tofu press, you can also press the tofu between two dinner plates and weigh it down with a can of beans. With this press, there are two bands on the side that latch onto the base to apply the pressure and squeeze the water out. We'll press it for about 10 to 20 minutes, moving the bands lower in between to increase pressure. With the tofu in the press, we'll prep rest of the ingredients, starting with the shallots. We prefer these thin slices that separate into individual rings as you cook them. Next, we'll mince the garlic. I don't know about you, but to me, mincing garlic is almost like therapy. Depending on your approach, either it takes a lot of focus and concentration, or you're just slicing and dicing to vent your frustrations. Either way, you really can't mess up. Why did the chef go to therapy? Because they had too many issues with their mother sauces. If you liked this video, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And think about clicking that subscribe button to help support this channel. It really helps. Next, we'll dice the chilies. We're using 2. Feel free to use more or less. This recipe, like all others, should be made to your preference. With the vegetables ready, next we'll make the sauce. Starting with 3/4 cup of water, we'll add the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. The dark soy sauce is thicker than the light soy sauce. It has sugar in it. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce. No, it's not made with oysters. Actually, it's made with mushrooms. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch will create a silky consistency and give it that glossy shine. With the prep work done, we'll go back to the tofu and remove it from the press. We'll pat it dry and then slice it into large pieces. In the Berry kitchen, we usually make tofu at least once a week. It's low in saturated fat and contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Beyond that, it's environmentally friendly. You can cut the tofu in whichever shape you prefer. Today we're going with these large rectangular pieces because we're going to pan fry these and they'll be easier to handle. Fun fact, a rectangle in 3D is called a cuboid. Didn't think you'd be learning geometry in the kitchen, did you? Now we're ready to fry the tofu. In a large pan over medium heat, we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We want a large pan to prevent overcrowding, and it helps when turning the tofu. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the tofu. We want to achieve a light golden to golden color on each side. If you're not a fan of pan frying, you can also air fry the tofu. Check out the recipe in the link above where we show you how to air fry tofu. These are starting to look good. When the tofu is crispy on all sides, we can go ahead and take it out. It can take a rest. And that, folks, is GBD, golden brown and delicious. With the remaining oil, we can prepare the sauce. First, we'll add the Thai basil. This will infuse the oil with the signature Thai basil aroma. Now I'll add the red chilies and the shallots and cook them down a little. Should only take a couple of minutes. There are about 60 varieties of basil in the world. It's rich in vitamins and nutrients, and there are many uses from religion, culinary, and medicine. Be careful not to breathe in the chilies like I did here. Now we'll add the minced garlic and saute until softened. With the vegetables cooked, we'll grab the sauce and give it a stir to incorporate the cornstarch that's settled at the bottom. Now we can add the sauce and allow it to thicken. The cornstarch works fast to thicken the sauce and gives it that restaurant shine. Once the sauce is bubbling, we'll go ahead and add the tofu and give it a light stir. The tofu is going to soak up the sauce. And for added heat, we're going to throw in some ground black pepper and another handful of Thai basil leaves for extra fragrance. We hope you're enjoying this video. If so, please subscribe for more great recipes and be sure to share it with your friends and family to spread the love. Now we'll go ahead and turn off the heat and give it a final stir. Go ahead and ring the bell because dinner is served. Actually, this can be served for any meal and is perfect as an appetizer. There you have it, braised basil tofu. Hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Also, check out the recipe in the description below. Be sure to leave a comment and let us know what you thought of this video or this recipe. Oh man, I just can't resist taking a bite. The tofu is still firm and chewy. Oh, it's like a flavor bomb. All the sauce that's been absorbed into the tofu releases when you bite into it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of Berry Berry Life. Enjoy!